I haven't really thought too much about pinion angle, but I'm gonna look into it and check it out. I have some vibration back here.
And good morning, this is my Jeep update, and it's Friday, October the 20th. And this is going to be on pinion angle, something I haven't really considered since putting in the suspension, the lift kit, and all that stuff. I thought about it, but I just haven't gotten to it. But I feel I need to, because I do have some movement in that pinion U-joint area, and it may be due to pinion angle. So I will be trying to get that corrected. I'm going to, a little bit later, I'm going to check it with an angle app that I have in my phone and see what the difference is between the pinion, the drive shaft, and transfer case and all that, and then I'll get back with you with any progress with my Jeep out. Here's another quick update just a few minutes later. So I've got this little bottlenose jack, and if you see, there's a flat spot on the right below the pinion on the differential here. And what I'm going to do after I find out what the angles are, what the difference is, if I need to make an adjustment, I'll use this jack. I'll jack this pinion up, hopefully to match the angle that I need. That remains to be seen yet. I've got to check my angles. Get back with you with any progress. My Jeep out.
Oh, and just a quick update, I do have adjustable lower control arms. I don't know if that's going to have enough adjustment in it, because it'll probably have to be shortened up, and that's going to bring my tires a little closer to the fender well. So I'm going to have to keep that in mind. We'll see. Out for now. Okay, this is the angle I have on my drive shaft. It's going back and forth between 13 and 14. And I've already followed the finger. I've got a flat spot back here. This one's on the left side of the differential cover. And this one's on the right side. And while I'm under here, just let you know, I've been doing some cleanup and painting over the last couple of weeks. Got it looking fairly nice under here, even though it's an older Jeep. Like to keep it looking clean and freshly painted when I can. Out. It looks pretty good right now, but I haven't driven it much. I wonder what it'll look about 20,000 miles down the road. And here's some additional areas cleaned up and painted. Looking pretty good.